Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Not much going on in the cryptos. Got a nice divergence here, so we're expecting it to rally the other side of the rotation zone, which is about this 8100, just above it, about 8100 we'll be focused on. I'm going to update these levels now to this little low where we got the confirmation of the divergence. So let's take a look at the bigger picture and get just the bigger pictures because we've really traded sideways to slightly down for the past 3 days. So right now, if we sell off again, the major levels we're focusing on is about 73.50. Then we have a wide cluster 69.56 to 70.72. So I'll be focusing on the 70.72 level. Volume coming in now right here. So we might have a temporary bottom. On a continued rally, we're really going to then be focused on 83.33 area. And then above that, about 8,500. And if we rally above that, 86.50. Those are all the key levels, the upside that we'll be focusing on, especially with this volume coming in. It looks like we might have established a possible short-term reversal bottom, especially with that divergence on the 4-hour. So this is a little divergence signal, been confirmed. So this is a very aggressive long trade to the upside, but if you're doing anything from the long side, we can't give investment advice. It's for educational purposes only, but make sure you are very aggressive ratcheting up your stops, especially with what's going on in the world right now, because this would be a very aggressive trade since it is against the 4-hour rotation zone and the daily rotation zone. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum, this is 4-hour chart, spiking down. We had sort of this wide cluster, 178.23 to 181.27, spiking just above that 181.93 with another divergence setup. So you can see here, higher low in the RSI, lower low in price action. With that, I'm moving this down to confirm that low. And we still have some room to play. So we have this prior little support shelf right here and the declining rotation zone. So about 196.70 first level resistance, and the next level is about 202.75 based off the 4-hour. Switching over to the daily to get the bigger picture. There we go. So if we do get above 202.75, we'll be watching for 212. That's the next level, and then 217.50 at the moment. Not as much volume coming in. Ethereum's still very weak, but we could, with that little divergence, have a short-term bottom. If you're looking to play any cryptos, Bitcoin is stronger to the bullish side right now than Ethereum. Again, not investment advice. If we get below this 181.93, 168.59, then 159.80 are your key levels to the downside. These divergence patterns are only potentially very short-term bottoming patterns, not long-term bottoming patterns. We do not have a long-term bottoming pattern signal yet at all. Keep that in mind. And the rotation zones are negative on the daily and 4-hour charts. So that favors still the bearish side. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.